Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today. Today on Saturday, February the 1st, 2020, we have only one Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, so let's get started. I see here a 4 in this row, a 4 in the row below, so in the last row, the only place for the 4 should be here. Then an 8 in the first row, an 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places for an 8 is here or there, but I see here an 8, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. Then yes, this is a 4. In this big square, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number is an 8. I see here an 8, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. I see there an 8, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the only 2 places for an 8 should be here or there. So in this row, we have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes. The row below, we have an 8 over there. So in the last row, the only 2 places for an 8 is here or there. But I see here already an 8, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. Then 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for 6 is here or there, but I see here already a 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for 6 is here. 2 missing numbers in the last row. For the numbers 9 and 5, I see here 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for 5 is here or there, but I see here a 5, already a 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for 5 should be here. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for 5 is here or there, but I see here already a 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column, so in the column between, the only place for the 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in this column, the only 2 places for a 3 is here or there, but I see here a 3, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. Then one of the missing numbers in this big square is a 1. I see here 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box remains for the 1 should be this one. 2 boxes left for this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 here. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So in this row, the only 2 places for an 8 is here or there, but I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. Then 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in this column, the only place for the 7 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 2 and 9. I see here 9, so no 9 there, 9 should be here. And the 2 goes there, 1 missing number of this big square for the number 9. 2 missing numbers in this column for the numbers 4 and 6. I see here 6, so no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. I see here 9, so no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 missing number in this row for the number 2, I believe. Yes, 2 is missing. Then 3 missing numbers in this row. The numbers are 1, 2, we have a 3 there, 1, 2, and 8. 1, 2, and 8. I see here 2, so no 2 there. I see here 2, so no 2 there. 1 box left for the 2 should be this one. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. I see here 1, so no 1 there, 1 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Then 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row. So in the second row, the only 2 places for 6 is here or there. But I see here already a 6, so no 6 there, 6 should be here. 2 boxes left for this column for the numbers 7 and 6. I see here 6, so no 6 there, 6 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Then 3, 4, and 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. The numbers are 3, 4, and 9. I see here 9, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box remains for the 9 should be this one. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. I see here 3, so no 3 there, 3 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Then 7 and 1. Okay. 4, 4. And 7. 1, 2. Yes. 3 missing numbers in the first row. The numbers are 1, 2, and 4. 1, 2, and 4. I see here 1 and a 2. So no 1 and a 2 in the first box. 1 digit left. That is the 4. So here we have 1 and 2, 1 and 2. I see here 2, so no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 7 and 1. I see here 1, so no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 missing number in this column for the number 3. Yes, 3 is missing. Then 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for 3 is here or there. But I see here 3, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 box left for the middle column for the number 9, I believe. No. We have a 9 here. This should be an 2. Yes, 2 is missing here. 2 is missing. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this column for the numbers 1 and 2. Now we have a 2 there, so no 2 here. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 1 and 7. Now we have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 8 and 6. 8 and 6. I see here 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes here. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 8 and 9. I see here an 8, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 9 and 7. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 7 and 4. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So we finish this in 12 minutes for this Sudoku Medium. If you like it, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also subscribe on this channel if you like or if you want. Otherwise, download the PDF so you can make it by yourself. Rest me to say, have a great weekend and thank you for watching. See you on Monday. Bye bye.